Now to judicial matters, a federal high court in Lagos has discharged former governor of Ekiti State, Ayodele Fayose, of all charges in his 2.2 billion naira fraud case brought against him by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission. Kemi Foladeyemo has more.
The EFCC accused Ayodele Fayose of receiving 1.2 billion naira from a former national security advisor, Sambo Dasuki, through a former Minister of State for Defense, Musiliu Obanikoro. Is also said to have received $5 million in cash from Mr. Obanikoro by passing financial institutions. The money was allegedly given to him in the build-up to the 2014 governorship election in Ekiti State. Mr. Fayose and his company, Sportless Investment Limited, were initially arraigned in 2018 before Justice Mojisola Olatoregun, now retired, with the EFCC presenting some witnesses. But the anti-graft agency later secured a transfer of the case to Justice Aneke, where it started afresh. After calling about 28 witnesses, the EFCC closed its case, prompting the defendants to file a no-case submission. Lead defense counsel Kanu Agabi, SAN, argued that the prosecution failed to establish a prima facie case and that Mr. Fayose has no case to answer, as one Abiodun Agbele, who was allegedly involved in the offences, was not jointly tried. But the lead prosecution counsel, Rotimi Jacobs, SAN, had urged the court to dismiss the no-case submission. He added that the prosecution witness, Abubakar Madaki, an investigator with the EFCC, had testified that the former governor used associates to purchase properties both in Nigeria and abroad, who later denied ownership of the properties. The EFCC also argued that another prosecution witness, Mr. Obanikoro, had said the former governor personally requested the funds in cash and introduced Mr. Agbele to handle the delivery. But on Wednesday, Justice Aneke discharged and acquitted the defendants after holding that the prosecution failed to establish a prima facie case against them.
Our duty, should there be any appeal, is to defend, is to protect this extremely laconic, erudite decision.
My first tenure, I was charged. This tenure too, I was charged. And I'm not the only governor in Nigeria. I've gone through so much of trauma.
Reacting, the prosecution says efforts are on course to obtain a certified true copy of the court's decision so as to file an appeal. Kemi Foladeyemo, TVC News, Lagos.